From the first filtration of the Pixel 3 XL, to the use of the device, I have been thinking about its big and ugly notch. But I can confirm that it is both huge and distracting. After the release, many people tweeted that they could buy the smaller Pixel 3, just by notching the XL. Phone manufacturers around the world justify the notch by saying that it helps them adapt to an edge-to-edge screen. However, some phones, such as the Oppo Find X and the Vivo Nex, showed us that the notch is not a necessity for that type of screen. And Samsung's ungrounded phones look good. The justification for Google behind the notch is the dual-camera system in the front. I could have easily included all the front sensors in a bar, just like the design of the Pixel 2 XL. It is also worth noting that the size of the notch and the size of the lower chin are not the same. The company confirmed that one can hide the notch of Pixel 3 XL through the developer's configuration. And the phone really looks a little better with the notch off. That said, Google's software handled pretty well in my 24 hours of use.